Hey everybody, this is Tammy. Um, I normally don't do DIY videos, but I had a particular problem and I turned to YouTube to um, find a solution, and I did, and it worked. What's the problem? I had cigarette burns on my bathroom sink, and I needed to find a way to get it out. I just thought the sink would have to be replaced, but something told me to type it into YouTube, and I saw a few DIYs on it, and it worked. So I am going to show you. Now, I had like 3 or 4 stains, I'm trying to remember, and I had cut them up already, but I have one stain that I left behind, which is kind of faint. So, um, we're going to see if you're able to see it, and I'll just go through it really quick. And if anybody else needs this hack to work for them, you know, trust me, it works. All right. I'm in my bathroom, so just give me a brief moment. All right. Now, I'm going to turn this camera around. Excuse my messy sink. Anywho, this is the stain that I am talking about. Let me see if I turn my light on. You might be able to see it better. Okay. Now, what I did, I had 3 other stains that were like over here, and they're completely gone. And I just happened to notice this one here, so I'll show you on that. I just took my favorite cleanser. Okay. Now you can use your favorite cleanser. You can use Comet or whatever your favorite cleanser that you like to use. Okay, now normally I would let that sit for about maybe 10 minutes or so. And you need something hard like a scouring pad. I have a Brillo pad or steel wool. Something hard that you want to scrub. Now, I just want you to know that this is not a easy fix. Meaning that you're going to have to put some elbow grease into scrubbing this out. But it will come out. Okay, so just for the sake of time, I'm going to wet my steel wool here. Oops, I'm making a mess. And I'm going to scrub. Now, the last ones I've gotten out, I literally scrubbed for about 15 minutes. 15, 20 minutes, depends on how dark the stain was. Like this one wasn't terribly bad. And I'm just wiping away the soap, and you can tell, if you can tell, it's already lightening up. So before you even think about replacing your sink, which will cost a lot of money to do, or some people live in rentals and accidents happen, carelessness happens. We're human, it happens. I'm not the smoker, but my son is. So I think at the one point in time, he was smoking, set a cigarette down, and then next thing you know it, there's a burn on the sink. Now, judging by what I see here, let me wipe away some of these suds. Look at that. It is gone. It is gone. So, all you need to do now, and I'm just going to use my cloth to just wipe that away. Normally I would have like cleaning wipes handy, but I don't. And of course just wipe it down. Excuse the mess on my carpet. There was Comet. I spoke some Comet earlier. But nonetheless, splashing water. And look at that. You can barely see it. As a matter of fact, when I scrub a little bit more, let me turn that water off, conserve some water. It will come completely out. Like I said, depending on how deep the stain is, it is going to, take about 15-20 minutes of scrubbing, but it's well worth it. So, elbow grease. I find that the steel wool is best, but whatever scouring pad or sponge that you have, go ahead and use it. Yep, I'm gonna wipe that away. And guess what? It is gone. Oops, I see another one. We do the same thing. Take my scouring pad and scrub, scrub, scrub. And this is not going to hurt the sink. There are no scratches on the sink whatsoever. And as I wipe away, you can see, at least I hope you can see, my lighting in my bathroom is horrible, but it's gone. That stain, I had a stain there, and it is gone. Turn that off. So see, I hope that helped you. So if you find yourself having a cigarette stain, accidentally on purpose, who knows? But if you need to get that stain out, cleanser and steel wool pad, scrub, scrub, scrub. All right. Hope that helped. Like my channel if you like what you heard today. And just check me out in the future. Who knows what I'll post. Bye.